And in this video we'll talk about, can we see who screenshotted our Snapchat story? For that, let's head to our Snapchat and we will find out that in few seconds. And then go to your profile icon that is right beside stars icon, and then head to your story and scroll down, and the reply and the answer to the question is yes, we can see, and the answer is yes, Snapchat notifies you if someone screenshots your story. And you can also see exactly who, and you can also see exactly which person did. For that, go and open your story and scroll it like this. On the last you will see screenshot icon, and in the last you will see screenshot icon, and that looks like two overlapping triangles or arrows, and that looks like two overlapping triangles or arrows. And if someone took screenshot, their name will appear in the viewer list with that icon next to it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.